Do you think maybe this could influence the development of a child in the womb? Or maybe this could? Teratogens, negative influences from the environment affecting the developing child. It's a huge field when you consider how many bad things are out there, toxins of various kinds that can, in one way or another, get to the bloodstream of a developing child in the womb. There are the environmental toxins that sometimes look very obvious when we look out at the quality of the air, or we taste the water, or hear things on the news. There are other teratogens, though, things that the mother consumes, such as nicotine, alcohol, such as diseases, rubella, which is also known as German measles, HIV. These are sorts of things that do get into the bloodstream of the child. The embryonic stage is when the developing child is the most vulnerable to teratogens. And what is, you might say, heartbreaking about it is that during the embryonic stage, a lot of women don't even know they're pregnant. And so, if the teratogen happens to be something the mother-to-be is consuming, she doesn't know that she's supposed to be not consuming that because she doesn't know she's pregnant yet. So, this is an area of deep, deep concern to doctors and developmental psychologists. And we're dealing with this sort of thing all the time because of the effects. What kinds of effects can you expect? Death, malformation, growth retardation, functional defects. Okay? And the effects of any particular or group of teratogens, those effects are influenced by when the exposure happened, how much exposure over how much time or in what doses. Genetics. We even know now from studying twins that some genetic makeups can withstand teratogens better than others. And as it turns out, research tells us that males are more susceptible to these teratogens than females are. That we may not have an answer to as to why, but it seems to be the actual case. And so, considering the effects that have to be dealt with, obviously, the medical profession and developmental psychologists are very concerned about studying what is known as teratology, the study of teratogens, and how they influence and what can be done to prevent them. So do a little extra research on this. It's a concerning kind of topic, but it's also one that you may need to know more about.